Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can slow down a video on iPhone. So let's get started. For that, you want to go ahead and simply download an app that's called iMovie. If you don't have the app, simply open up the App Store and in the search bar search for iMovies and then download it from here. After you have downloaded it, head back to home screen and then open it up. Just like that, inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Movie and then pick a video you want to slow down. After that, simply tap on Create Movie right over here. And once you're inside this kind of timeline, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the video. And here you will be able to find a speedometer. Simply tap onto it. And here you need to go ahead and simply drag the speed slider to the left to slow down the video. After you're done, simply tap on Done right over here. And that's it. Your video is now slowed down. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.